Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change chart layout on TradingView. Changing the chart layout on TradingView allows you to customize how you view and analyze your data. So in order to do that, first of all, open the TradingView application and log into your account like you normally do. Now once you end up in the home page, navigate to the chart tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on the three dots right on the bottom right corner of the screen right next to the pencil icon. In the expanded menu, click on Select Layout. Inside the Layout option, select your desired layout by clicking on it. After choosing your desired layout, you will be able to change between layouts for your chart on TradingView. So that's how you easily change your chart layout on your TradingView application in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.